Hey friends, if you wish to change the font size in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and click on Chrome. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down and click on settings. Type the word font. Okay. Now scroll down to appearance and you'll find an option for font size. You can change it to, we have a lot of options here, large or extra large or anything, or medium or whatever you want. But if you want more customization over this, then simply click on customize font and then you will get a more precise scale to increase the font size. And it will also show the exact font size, the changes in the series here. So I'll keep it at 20. That is good enough. And that is it. You don't need to click on any save button or anything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.